Alright, so boom.
I wouldn't go there either. I would just keep it simple, you know? You're getting twisted up on like.
Okay.
I'm like trying too hard, you know? Like just let it flow.
I don't know if you're saying this.
I'm not trying to say. No, I'm not trying to be mean. No, I'm just.
Yeah, I am pretty insecure. Yeah.
What is going on today? Third All Red vlog, and today's a pretty special vlog day because we getting a new whip. Hey. Honestly, pretty excited, very happy, very excited actually, very super mega pumped. Thank you, Mom. It's time to say goodbye to the old Yeller. So here's a tribute to good old Mach 2.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Yeah, I know I'm immature. I know. And you change your mood like clothes. First you're on off, come.
Alright guys, so I'm in the new whip, and you know, I gotta say it's pretty magical. It's 10 a.m., 11 a.m. actually now, and yeah, see what kind of day we have, you know, know what I mean? Just got to Capitol, but I want to see the coolest thing about my car, so watch this, right? Unlocked. I don't even need my keys to drive my car. This is insane. Mother Nature hates California. Just like people like Trump hate California. Whoa.
And I wear my feelings on my sleeve.
Alright, so boom. Oh.
Let's go home! Let's go home, ladies and gentlemen! Let's go home! Let's go home! Let's go home!
Get winded really easily doing the minimalist of things. I'm out of breath. So what are we doing?
Cruise the city.
Are you driving or am I driving?
Is today the cutoff day of you driving?
Yeah.
Like it ends at the end of today, or?
I'll still drive for people. It's just I'm not gonna offer.
Why are you not driving for people?
No, I will. I just won't. I'm not gonna like keep offering it because I drove a lot last week.
Oh.
In my new car. In my brand new. Oh, excuse me? Is it raining right now?
Are you driving or am I driving?
It can matter. Oh my gosh, it's raining!
Well, thank you so much.
So I have to drive. Yeah.
Run. Alright guys, we're at Panda Express.
If you're ever in Sacramento, this is one of the local hot spots.
only in Sacramento, one of the greatest family-owned businesses. Make sure you come and check out Panda.
I don't think that's historically accurate what you just said.
We don't have to know. And baby, we're still babies. We don't have to know. We don't have to know. Baby, we're still babies. We got time to grow. We got time to grow.
Let me unlock that for you real quick. Hang on. Yeah. It's unlocked for you.
Wow, this is a nice car.
Thanks.
Whoever's car this is, they must be a great person.
Is it John?
What the heck?
Hey! Look at this man.
Get this on camera. Going that way?
Okay, go more that way. Okay. Dude's vaping up there.
Middle schoolers have Bible class. Right in their head.
Are you going pee first?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna like do my squirmy thing while I wait to pee on the couch, so. Oh, this isn't even scripted, this is real.
I'm done with the roast, okay?
We weren't roasting you though.
Now you did.
Who? I said, can I get a caramel macchiato?
No
No.
caramel, no milk, no coffee?
Yeah.
You want an air?
I just wanted a Starbucks cup.
Woo! I'm ready.
Alright, so we're watching Nick's sermon from 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And the funniest thing happens. So in sermons, this is like the super important part, the deep part. Watch this kid right here. Practice my jump shot. Boop. I'm literally trying to edit. I'm trying to edit.
Okay, sorry. Put some earbuds in. They're inconsiderate.
You're inconsiderate.
Ow, I'm cleaning up after you fools.
I didn't even make the mess.
Huh?
You're the one who made the mess. Cleaning up the mess, that means you made the mess.
I didn't. Okay, so children can clean up after themselves?
They're supposed to. They're supposed to clean up after themselves. Children are supposed to clean up after themselves, Anna.
Yeah, and the children always listen to them.
Obviously not, because you're not listening to anything I'm saying.
I'm 18.
Act like it.
Hey, you still want me to get you boba, by the way?
Guess it's too late to figure that out now, is it? Guess I
didn't
can't
have class today.
get
so
boba
get
at all.
I'll get you some.
What kind of? So I've never had boba before.
Okay, he has to start with the black tea.
Yeah, okay.
Or the black
The black milk tea is probably the safest.
But I don't like tea.
Had milk tea before?
No.
Okay, yeah. Then you'll. It's basically like if you had coffee, but then like tea instead of coffee, and then it's like the milk makes it like. It doesn't taste like tea, like regular tea.
This isn't
It tastes
gonna
like.
work.
You gotta break it up.
Are you actually vlogging?
Yes, I'm actually vlogging. Oh, I found one that'll fit it.
That does not get into the microwave.
Why? It'll fit in the microwave.
It's just glass.
Wow, you guys are a bunch of nerds.
Hold on, what is that?
And you already.
Oh, look.
Wait a minute.
If you
Make
take...
sure it's clean.
Can I have another one of these?
Everyone
These are
had
good.
teachers that were like nice.
I'm having one more. Is that okay?
Yeah.
My teacher said
No.
it.
Yeah.
You have to eat a piece of
Oh.
wasabi if you do
No
that.
class today.
Everyone had
Oh,
teachers
you have
that
to
were
eat the whole wasabi.
You know what I heard?
gone.
I'll do
I
that
heard
right now.
I heard that most.
Ah.
I think Vaughn said he's gonna eat that. Can I put it on? Vaughn, can I use a piece of chicken?
You know, one for you, one for me.
Can you like split that in half?
Oh my gosh, that's like half. Are you sure about this?
Does anyone know where this so much? What are you doing?
We have milk.
I think you should calm down.
Mm-mm.
It's not that serious.
It's not working. It's mochi.
You don't like mochi?
What flavor is it?
Wasabi.
Wasabi. I don't know why that's so bad. It's green.
I'm
Oh my
cold.
God. Don't spit it out.
I'm not going to.
Okay.
Wasn't even that bad. Alright, state your name and why you're here.
Jonathan Alexander Wyatt.
Jonathan, why'd you do it, man? Why'd you poop in the urinal?
I just wanted to continue the poop tower that was already begun.
When you say poop sour, what are you referring to?
3 layers of turds before I started.
Oh, okay.
All that is unfinished must be completed. It is my duty.
What the heck? Where did he go?
We're still babies. We don't have to know. We don't have to know. Baby.
Hey guys, update real quick on what's going on because it's the end of the vlog. I just saw in the beginning I got a brand new car. Insurance is a lot and payments are a lot because I'm not rich like that. Stay tuned because my podcast Abstract Thinking is set to debut in 3 weeks. Other than that, Nick, do you have anything?
We just want to let you know we love you and we're always looking out for you guys. So we appreciate you. We couldn't do this without you.
That's it. If you guys enjoyed this, if you guys will watch this and you guys continue to watch my vlogs, all 100 of you who actually watch this, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Like we always do, guys. Factory workers, time to punch out. Boom!